much for joining me today. Today is day 1 of Breathe With Me challenge. So let's come into a seated position, whatever that may be comfortable to you. Even on a chair, it's okay. So let's roll back those shoulders, sit tall, place your hands in Chin Mudra. Gently soften your gaze and close your eyes. Let's shift our awareness to our breath. Feel that going in and out. Let's take a purposeful deep breath in and out. Big inhale and exhale. Now a slower inhale and exhale. Great job. We're going to try something different today. We're going to place our right hand on our abdomen. We're going to first practice pushing our tummy out and in. Try one more time, tummy out. Now contract your tummy all the way in. Good job. Now we're going to synchronize this with our breath. This is called abdominal breathing. We're going to inhale, push your belly out. Exhale, contract it all the way in. Inhale. Exhale. Remember, inhale, tummy out. Exhale, tummy in. Inhale, tummy out. Exhale, tummy in. Great job. Place your hands back on your knees in Chin Mudra. Check in with your shoulders again. Roll those shoulders, sit tall. Observe the calmness of your breath. Observe the calmness of your thoughts. I'm going to say a few phrases. You are welcome to join me, but say it within you. I am strong. I am kind. I am calm. I am healthy. I am happy. Feel those phrases sinking into yourself, sinking into your mind. Great. Let's gently tilt our chin towards our chest. With a few gentle blinks, open your eyes. Great job in completing the day 1 of Breathe With Me challenge. Hopefully you feel really relaxed and amazing, which is my intention for you today. So I invite you to do 2 steps today. One is that you hit the like button and subscribe to my channel if you found this video helpful. If not, also I'd like to hear in the comment section how I can improve to serve you better. Number 2 is I have included a quote for the day in the description below. So let me know your thoughts. I would love to hear from you. So I'll see you tomorrow and have a blessed day. Thank you.